open. It's locked. It's locked over here. Olivia, look. Here and here. You can't open it. No, it can't open. It can't open. Okay, I'm going to sit down because I'm tired. Ah! I'm tired. Do you want to play a game? Yes? We have a game. Wait. 1 second, you can take that.
Mhm.
Yeah, you can have a game here. Here.
Hmm.
Yes, I think this one. This one is. It's German.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I like it.
You like it?
Okay, I like it.
You like it? Let's do this one.
I put it aside.
You like it?
I like it.
You like it?
Okay.
Okay, we have to open it. Let me see how to open it.
Oh,
It's a box. Okay, here.
box.
Here. Look! It's a puzzle. Okay, it's a puzzle. Oh, it's a puzzle. Okay, we have a puzzle. Look. Which one do you want to do? We want to do this one. This is. Or which one do you want to do? Look at it. You want to do that one?
Okay,
Okay, so you can do that one. Hmm. Yeah. But do it here so you can see. Okay, red. The girl has a red dress. So look at the red. You see, you can put it. Yeah, red. You can put it below over here so you can see it there. Here. So you put it there, and we have another one. Let me see. Oh, look at this. Look, look, look. We can do this one. Where does this one go? This one goes here. Oh, here. Oh, hand. Oh, look at the girl. The other girl. Exactly. Now here. Oh, look at the dress.
look.
Look at the other side of the dress.
It's a pearl.
It's a
Mhm.
puzzle. Okay, put it here. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Where did this one go? Where did this one go?